Alright, boys and girls, today I'm going to show you one of the glow stations. Okay, this one's going to be a printing station. You're going to have a choice between two different color pieces of paper, either the neon green or the neon orange, and you're going to have colors, warm colors out, so you'll have like the neon red, neon pink, neon yellow, or you're going to have neon green or neon blue. Okay, and then you're going to have a variety of printing tools, and we're actually using toilet paper rolls, and they're cut in certain ways. You've got the circle one, this one's kind of like a little squid or octopus, this one's a little heart, and you're going to use these tools to paint onto paper in all sorts of designs. The very first thing you're going to have to do is write your name on one side of your paper, just like we do in art class, and then flip it over. Okay, if your name is not on your paper, at the end of class, anything that's left in either my room or Mrs. Burke's room will get thrown in the trash, because we have every kindergartner, every first grader, and every second grader doing this. And if your name's not on it, we're not going to know whose is whose, and we can't guess after seeing everybody today. So make sure you write your name on it if it's important to you and you want to take it home. All right, and the goal of this is just to add as many cool designs as possible using the toilet paper roll. Make sure you're only dipping one side of the toilet paper roll. If you're dipping it in both sides, your hands are going to get messy and you're going to get paint everywhere, including your clothes. And we cannot guarantee that this paint will come out of your clothes. So you're going to take your little toilet paper roll, gently tap it in, okay? And then you're going to start to do your little printing, and then you just tap it gently on your paper. I like this heart, it's kind of a wonky heart. If it doesn't show up, then you can gently tap it in again. Okay, and notice how when I'm tapping it, I am not smushing it. I am just gently tapping it into the paint and back onto the paper. Okay, you could make a little butterfly out of this design, couldn't you? When you're done with one, you're just going to put it on the table. We're going to have the tables covered with butcher paper, so it'll be okay if it touches the table and gets a little messy. Sometimes it creates a bubble. It's okay. It's not going to hurt anything. If it bothers you, you can kind of kindly blow it out, or just the bubble will pop on your paper. This one's just the circle one. And as you're overlapping those shapes, you'll notice that some of those colors start to mix. And that's okay. That's really cool too. And this one I'm going to take with the neon red. And I'm going to tap. This one's a little harder, right? I'm going to tap all the ends in. You'll have more paint on your plate. I'm just showing you an example of how it's going to work today. Oh, look at that. So cool. Oh, this looks like a flower. And you're just going to gently tap it. You can even tap and twist it. Put that down. Let's see how this one works. You gotta kind of have them like this. I'm just using warm colors, but you can use the cool colors too. You might want to use your fingers if you feel like the color's not coming out real well. I actually like the hearts the best. They remind me of a kind of a butterfly. Now with this station, because we want to make sure everybody gets a chance and everybody gets to take home something, you need to make sure that you are only taking one piece of paper and filling it as much as you can. If you really love this station, then fill your whole paper up, okay? But you should not be taking more than one piece of paper, because then you could be taking somebody else's paper, and that's really not very kind or very friendly, is it? Okay, and then you're just going to start to paint all over, and notice how all those prints overlap and how cool they look. I love it. These are so fun. And look at that. You've got your own cool piece of neon abstract art.